This isn't just another car reveal. It's a huge piece of VW's comeback strategy. You know, with all the headlines about high-end EVs and, like, crazy new battery tech, it's pretty easy to miss what's happening in the more affordable compact space.
It really is.
So today we're doing a deep dive into something crucial we almost missed. The official debut of Volkswagen's ID.Cross CONCEPT.
And we need to talk about it because the ID process is VW's big move toward making electric mobility genuinely affordable for the mass market. This is their volume play.
Right.
And you have to remember, in 2025, VW was already the biggest EV supplier in Europe, but they need this segment to stay on top.
So our mission here is to unpack, well, two things. First, the tech strategy. How are they planning to make these things actually affordable? And second, the design. How is this new look supposed to win everyone over?
It's a huge undertaking.
Well, VW's CEO Thomas Schaefer, he set the bar incredibly high. He said his goal was to deliver the best version of the Volkswagen brand of all time. But is that just, marketing talk?
It could be, but there's a real plan here.
They're launching this ID.Cross as part of a 4-car entry-level campaign that starts in 2026.
It's not really about 4 separate cars. It's about a massive commitment to scale. And that is the absolute key. And the critical change here is simplification. It's not just a bigger battery. By moving to a front-wheel drive setup for these smaller cars and standardizing those expensive components, they cut down the complexity.
I see.
And that's the breakthrough. It lets them pull in expensive, software-heavy features like their advanced travel assist system down to this entry-level ID without making the price jump.
Okay, so MEB Plus solves the technical price problem.
Yeah.
But the car still has to, capture people's hearts. They've rolled out this new design language they're calling Pure Positive.
Which is based on stability, likability, and a bit of secret sauce.
And I love that the secret sauce is just pure nostalgia.
Absolutely. They are consciously leaning on their greatest hits. I mean, we're talking the Golf and the classic VW bus.
You can see it immediately, right?
Oh, yeah. You see it in the charismatic C-pillars. That's a total nod to the Golf. And that completely straight window line along the side that just screams classic bus. The whole design is meant to be friendly.
It's meant to look like it's smiling.
Literally. They designed the front and rear lights to give the impression that the car is smiling at you. It's a very deliberate choice to make it likable.
Let's get practical, though. For a compact SUV buyer, the numbers have to work. It's small, just over 4 to 100 millimeters long, so similar to the T-Cross.
Right.
And it has 155 kilowatts, which is about 211 horsepower, with a projected range of 420 kilometers. And the interior sounds like it could be a major selling point. They're calling it a feel-good oasis.
That's where they're adding that premium layer. The interior has these configurable atmospheres that automatically adjust the lights, the sound, the climate control. And in a total VW bus move, the front seats fold completely flat, turning the whole interior into like a reclining area. They've used the EV architecture to get a huge boot for this class, 450 liters. Plus, there's a 25-liter frunk.
A Franco.
Yeah, front trunk. That efficiency is what makes the compact size work, and they made it genuinely practical.
So when you put this all together, it seems like VW's is walking a really fine line. They're trying to combine affordability from the MEB Plus platform, advanced tech, and this powerful nostalgic design into one high-volume package.
Which really brings us to the ultimate question for VW, and for you to think about. Can combining the cost-cutting of ME Plus with that powerful brand history actually let them undercut competitors while still convincing buyers that this is a premium-feeling car, that this is truly the best version of the brand? That balance is everything.